Engineering at Home, with Stephen the Engineer. Ever imagined living in a home that obeys your commands? A place where you're the ultimate boss and things spring to life at your voice? Welcome to the future, my friends. And it's not in a galaxy far, far away. It's here and now, and it's called a smart home. Have you ever left the house wondering if you've turned off the oven? Just a tap on your smartphone, and voila, your smart home system shuts it down. Or say, I'm cold, and the temperature rises. No magic words, no hocus pocus, pure, unadulterated engineering, and a dash of technological genius. Dive in with us into the mesmerizing world of sensors, Internet of Things, IoT, and AI assistants, the trio that makes your smart home smart. See those tiny devices scattered around the house, from your door to the fridge? They are sensors, the silent minions, continuously collecting data about your environment. Think of them as your eyes and ears, your taste buds, and even your skin. Now, these sensors don't work alone. They are connected to the mighty Internet of Things. It's like a web, a grand network of your everyday devices, exchanging data and taking actions. Imagine a symphony, but instead of violins and cellos, you've got your microwave, heating system, even your toaster, all in harmony. And at the helm, steering this ship of sensors and devices, we have the charismatic AI assistants. They are the brains of the operation, interpreting your commands, learning your preferences, and making your home an extension of you. But what's the point of all this? Convenience? Sure. But it's more than that. It's about efficiency, saving energy, and making our lives safer. Imagine your house warning you about a leaky pipe or turning off lights in an empty room. It's about embracing a lifestyle where technology and engineering make our lives not just easier, but also sustainable. In this high-tech orchestra, every device plays its part, working together in perfect harmony, bringing the future to our doorsteps. So, whether you're tech-savvy or a newbie, it's time to roll up those sleeves and dive into the world of home automation. Because, in the end, who wouldn't want to live in a home that takes care of them? After all, home isn't just where the heart is, it's where the smart is.